In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for business reports. Let's get started. First, I click on the Create New AI button and select the Generate option. Since I am creating a report, I select the Document tab at the top of the menu. I'm going to adjust the length of the report to 8 cards and then I'll type in my detailed prompt for a 2026 AI integration strategy and ROI report. I want to make sure I include specific sections like an executive summary and a SWOT analysis. Once my prompt is ready, I click Generate Outline to review the structure. I can scroll through the generated outline to see if everything looks correct. Here, I'm going to merge some sections to keep the flow concise. Now, I'll customize the settings by choosing the detailed option for the text content. I'll also select a professional visual theme, like the Commons layout, and then I'll click Generate. As the AI works, I can see it building a comprehensive report with detailed sections on supply chain logistics and a 12-month upskilling roadmap. You can now edit and start changing the content if you want an edit and add more to tailor the report to your specific needs. I can even use the AI assistant on the right to refine specific blocks of text to make them more engaging or detailed. When everything looks perfect, I click on the Share button at the top, select Export, and choose Export to PDF to download the final document. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Gamma AI for business reports.